Welcome to Best Buying Report. The Best Hot Chocolate Bombs is probably one of the most delightful and creative ways to elevate your cozy beverage experience, transforming a simple mug of hot milk into an interactive, decadent treat that bursts with flavor and fun, making it perfect for gifting, parties, or just a special moment at home. And today we're diving into a kit that promises to make crafting these viral sensations easier than ever. Number 5. Baking Fun Cake Pop Kit. This kit offers a large variety of baking supplies. You can create up to 40 cake pops and 12 muffins simultaneously. It's perfect for saving time and enjoying hands-on fun with your family. Unleash your inner artist with its versatile decorating tools. Easily switch tips on the pen to design unique patterns. Plus, a dedicated melting pot makes preparing chocolate and candy a breeze. Proudly display your beautifully crafted treats. Once finished, arrange them on the elegant 3-tier stand. Prepare for compliments on your stunning cake decorations. All components are made from food-grade, highly durable materials. They are designed for repeated use and resist deformation. You can safely use them in ovens, dishwashers, freezers, and microwaves across a wide temperature range. This kit is designed for ease of use, even for beginners. It comes with helpful instructions and videos to guide you. Cleaning up is also a breeze, making your baking experience truly enjoyable. What we like. This kit offers a vast array of baking supplies, allowing you to create numerous treats at once. If you love DIY projects and want to involve your family in baking fun, this comprehensive set is perfect. Its reusability and easy-to-clean design make it a convenient choice for frequent bakers. What people say. Number 4. NutriChef Electric Fondue Pot. Experience quick and effortless melting with its powerful 25-watt heating element. It reaches optimal temperatures for both warming and melting, ensuring your ingredients are ready in no time. Perfect for fondue parties, this versatile set helps you craft an array of homemade sweet treats. Indulge in deliciously melted chocolate for cakes, cookies, and more with ease and convenience. Its convenient keep warm function ensures your melted ingredients stay at the perfect temperature. Simply activate the feature to enjoy continuous dipping for strawberries, marshmallows, and other delights. Crafted with food-grade aluminum and a pet hot plate, it guarantees both safety and lasting durability. This versatile tool isn't just for chocolate, it handles candy, butter, cheese, and other dips with ease. It comes with a comprehensive set of accessories, including various molds, skewers, and forks. You'll have everything needed to create and enjoy a wide variety of delicious treats right away. What we like. This electric fondue pot provides quick and easy chocolate melting with a dedicated warming function. If you're hosting fondue parties or frequently need perfectly melted, warm chocolate for dipping, this is ideal. Its included molds and skewers make it incredibly versatile for various homemade treats and desserts. What people say. Number 3. WhiteRhino Silicone Chocolate Heart Mold Set. Discover the ultimate baking companion for creating delightful treats. This versatile set empowers both beginners and professionals to craft stunning desserts with ease. It comes packed with a variety of molds, including smashable hearts, chocolate bombs, and more. You'll also find hammers, sticks, and even best wishes cards to complete your creations. Crafted from flexible, food-grade silicone, these molds ensure your creations pop out effortlessly. They are non-stick, fadeless, and incredibly easy to clean, even dishwasher safe. Made from BPA-free, food-grade silicone, this set is safe for all your culinary adventures. It withstands extreme temperatures, making it freezer, oven, microwave, and dishwasher friendly. Imagine hiding a surprise under a breakable heart, decorated with your handmade treats. This kit makes a perfect, thoughtful gift for birthdays, holidays, and special occasions, bringing joy to loved ones. Beyond chocolates, use it to make dome mousse, bath bombs, cheesecakes, or even scented candles. Its wide applications make it a truly versatile tool in your daily life. What we like. This set stands out with its unique breakable heart molds, perfect for creating surprise gifts. If you enjoy crafting personalized, memorable presents for special occasions, this kit is a fantastic choice. Its flexible, non-stick silicone ensures easy demolding and cleaning, making your DIY projects stress-free. What people say. No reviews available from the provided source to extract points from. No reviews available from the provided source to extract points from. Number 2. GirlZone Little Choco Delights Maker Kit. Get ready for a sweet adventure with this amazing kit. Kids can create yummy treats using its special machine and colorful wrappers. Keep your little ones engaged with this fun set that sparks their imagination. Watch their creativity shine as they experiment and make delightful edible treats. Make any day special with this awesome gift for birthdays or just because. They can craft and wrap their own chocolate mementos to share with friends and family. With clear instructions and durable silicone tools, kids can easily make delicious chocolate creations. This kit makes a fun weekend project or a great addition to your kitchen collection. Its long-lasting silicone tools let them practice their chocolate skills over and over. This kit offers hours of tasty fun and creative exploration for your aspiring chefs. What we like. Designed specifically for younger users, this kit encourages hands-on creativity and fun. If you're looking for an engaging and safe activity to spark your child's imagination, this is an excellent option. Its simple instructions and durable, reusable tools make chocolate crafting accessible and enjoyable for kids. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON to extract points from. Therefore, the request to select 2 to 3 points cannot be fulfilled. Number 1. WICHEMI Double Pots Chocolate Melting Machine. Crafted from high-quality food-grade aluminum, this machine ensures rapid heat conduction. It's rust-resistant, heat-resistant, and corrosion-resistant, guaranteeing both safety and easy cleaning. Food melts quickly when it meets water, preventing burning or sticking. Equipped with high-power heating elements, it utilizes a professional electric conduction principle for even heat distribution. This ensures chocolate cubes melt fast and efficiently. You'll benefit from high heating efficiency, low electricity costs, and built-in safety measures. This commercial tempering machine features a fully intelligent temperature controller and a constant temperature protection indicator. It accurately controls the temperature, preserving the quality of your raw materials after melting. Plus, it includes leakage resistance and power-off protection for your peace of mind. Using it is incredibly simple. Just place your ingredients into the pots, select the desired heating temperature, and press the button. Delicious results are achieved in a short time. Its removable non-stick melting pots also make cleaning remarkably convenient. Whether at home with family or in a commercial setting like a cafe or restaurant, this machine is incredibly versatile. It's perfect for heating and melting chocolate, dishes, cream, milk, and more. Expand your culinary possibilities with it. What we like. This double pot melter offers high efficiency and precise temperature control for larger batches. If you need a robust, energy-saving solution for commercial use or frequent, large-scale melting, this is your pick. Its intelligent temperature controller ensures consistent quality, making it perfect for professional applications. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.